Imagine an AI so powerful, it can summarize your favorite YouTube videos, help you brainstorm creative ideas, and even generate stunning images, all in seconds. That's the magic of Google Gemini. And today, we're diving deep into how this groundbreaking AI is changing the way we live, work, and create. If you want to stay ahead in the world of artificial intelligence, make sure to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks on YouTube for more daily AI industry insights. Google Gemini is Google's most advanced AI model yet, designed to understand and interact with the world in ways we've only dreamed of. With its cutting-edge multimodal capabilities, Gemini can process text, images, and more, making it your ultimate digital assistant for productivity, creativity, and everyday tasks. Some of Gemini's standout features include real-time voice chat, instant YouTube video summarization, powerful content creation tools, and seamless integration with Google Workspace. Whether you need a quick summary, a spark of inspiration, or a serious productivity boost, Gemini delivers every time. And remember, for more tips and updates on the latest AI tools, don't forget to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks on YouTube. Let's take a look at Gemini in action. Watch as it effortlessly summarizes a YouTube video, generates creative text, and even helps you produce professional quality images and videos, all from simple prompts. The possibilities are truly endless. But Gemini isn't just for tech enthusiasts. Content creators, students, and professionals everywhere are using Gemini to brainstorm ideas, automate repetitive tasks, and create engaging content faster than ever. With Google Vids, you can even generate videos and images with AI, making storytelling easier and more dynamic than ever before. If you're enjoying these insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Useful AI Hacks for more daily updates. Getting started with Gemini is a breeze. Simply access it with your Google account, enable YouTube and Workspace integrations, and start exploring its powerful suite of tools. Gemini currently supports English, Japanese, and Korean for YouTube summarization, with even more languages on the way. And as Gemini continues to evolve, you can expect even more advanced features like deeper video understanding, smarter content generation, and brand new creative possibilities. Google's commitment to AI safety and innovation means Gemini will keep getting better, helping you achieve more every single day. To get the most out of Gemini, use clear prompts, experiment with its creative tools, and integrate it into your daily workflow. Join the growing community of users sharing tips and discovering new ways to leverage AI for work and play. And don't forget to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks on YouTube for your daily dose of AI industry insights and practical tips. Ready to experience the future of AI? Try Google Gemini today and unlock a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe to Useful AI Hacks, and share your Gemini experiences in the comments below. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for another Useful AI Hacks AI Industry Update.